students, a heartily welcome to you all in Standard 11th. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Survase Madam. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, we know that we all are struggling in COVID pandemic. Since last many months, schools and colleges are closed due to this mishap. Every year, we celebrate your first day as welcome day with enthusiasm and zeal. But this year, we can't celebrate this event due to Corona. So this year, we have to learn our lectures by staying at home in a safe way and with a systematic way of using the latest technology and latest techniques. Now this year we will learn through audio, video visuals with the help of YouTube, Google Meet and other various apps. You all should pay attention towards instructions given on your particular group. You have to follow the given timetable and schedule. Okay students, today I would like to tell you the importance of English language in education. English as a global language. Global language means the language which is spoken internationally around the world. The language which people can easily understand and speak around the world. English is a West Germanic language first spoken in early medieval England, which eventually became the leading language of international discourse in today's world. English is the largest language by number of speakers and the third most spoken native language in the world. It is the most widely spoken Germanic language, accounting for at least 70% of speakers of this Indo-European branch. The English language becomes the most common, useful and native language of most of the countries. In many cases, the English language helps people from different aspects. English language plays an essential role in our lives as it helps in communication. Language is the first medium used by the people to share their thoughts and informations with other peoples. It is the main language for studying any subject all over the world. English is important for students as it broadens their minds, develops emotional skills, improves the quality of life by providing job opportunities. Moreover, the use of English language as an international language is growing with time because it is the only medium for communication in many countries. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a good job in a multinational company within your home country or for finding work abroad. See students, the English language is the language of the internet. Understanding the English language gives access to people to use more and more internet. It is the universal language of the internet. The English language opens a lot of new career opportunities for people. People who can easily understand and speak the English language can easily grab opportunities. There is a lot of different kind of companies who need English speaking employees. People who can speak and understand the English language can easily get a job in different kinds of big and international companies. बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनो, इंग्लिश हा विषय अभ्यासासाठी आणि विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी सुद्धा खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे. इंग्लिश लँग्वेज ही इंटरनॅशनल लँग्वेज आहे. इंग्लिश भाषा शिकणे ही सध्या एक काळाची गरज आहे. इंग्लिश समजणे आणि बोलता येणे हे मल्टीनॅशनल कंपनीमध्ये जॉब मिळवण्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाची आहे. English language helps in business also. Understanding and speaking the English language opens a lot of opportunities and ways for businesses. For business, understanding and speaking the English language plays a very important role. बघा, जागतिक व्यापार वाढीसाठी सुद्धा इंग्लिश लँग्वेजचा खूप उपयोग होतो आणि इंग्लिश लँग्वेज या जागतिक व्यापार करण्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाची आहे. A businessman always wants to broaden their business into the international marketplace. They always want their business to grow internationally. They deal with the other businessmen on an international level. For dealing and communicating with other international businessmen, understanding and speaking the English language is very important. सध्या इंग्लिश भाषा ही जास्तीत जास्त देशात वापरली जात असल्याने आजचे सर्व व्यवहार तंत्रज्ञान म्हणजे सर्व टेक्नॉलॉजी ही इंग्लिश भाषेवर डिपेंड असल्याने आपण इंग्लिशवर प्रभुत्व मिळवले पाहिजे. इंग्लिश येणं ही सध्या खूप काळाची गरज आहे. लर्निंग अ लँग्वेज इज अ प्लेजर. इट हेल्प्स यू टू communicate your feelings, your emotions, your knowledge, your wisdom. Moreover, when you are learning English, it helps you to connect with the world. जेव्हा तुम्ही इंग्लिश शिकत असता त्यावेळेस तुम्ही जगाशी संपर्क करत असता. In the age of globalization, the world has become a small place. We need to communicate not only with our fellow beings in and around the neighborhood, but with many people around the globe. In today's modern world, the English language becomes the basic language of education. The English language is the language most studied all over the world. All over the world, the English language is the main language of the study of every education system. For the students, it's very important to learn and understand the English language for further study. आणि म्हणूनच प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला इंग्लिश येणं, ती समजणं, ती शिकणं ही सध्या फर्दर स्टडीसाठी, पुढील अभ्यासासाठी खूप महत्त्वाची आहे. English literature helps you to understand different people, different cultures and different psychologies. It helps you to understand the various aspects of life, its various moods, its hue, fragrance and also complexities. बघा विद्यार्थ्यांनो, जर आपण इंग्लिश शिकलो तर इंग्लिशमधील जे लिटरेचर आहे तर ते समजण्यासाठी जगातील वेगवेगळे पीपल तुम्हाला लोक समजतील. त्यानंतर डिफरंट कल्चर्स, वेगवेगळ्या देशाची संस्कृती तुम्हाला त्यामधून समजेल. कारण जवळपास खूप देशांमध्ये इंग्लिश ही भाषा वापरली जाते. इंग्लिश शिकण्यासाठी सध्या खूप ॲप्स अवेलेबल आहेत. उदाहरणार्थ गुगल, क्रोम, ड्युलिंगो, यूट्यूब या ॲपचा वापर करून तुम्ही इंग्लिश भाषा शिकू शकता. तर सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी टेक्स्टबुक, आपले इंग्लिश टेक्स्टबुक हे विकत घेऊन इंग्लिशचे प्रोज, पोएट्री पाहायचे आहेत आणि वाचण्यास सुरुवात करायची आहे. So students, as we are aware that English language skills depend upon 4 core skills such as listening, speaking, reading and writing. These are 4 basic pillars to learn English fluently. Okay students, I hope you enjoy studying it throughout the year. We eagerly look forward for your enthusiastic participation. Happy learning. Wish you all the best in your studies and all the best for your future career. Okay? Thank you.